Lately, students have asked us, how can I prepare for the upcoming semester? I will tell you some tips that will help you get ready for the start of classes. Tip number one would be, of course, get to know the courses you're taking and enroll in Moodle. Remember that professors keep touch with students through Moodle, so if you're not there, you're probably missing a lot of information. The second tip that I can offer you guys is start studying on time. Semester goes by really fast, and if you do not keep track of your studies, you will end up studying everything in the last week of exams, and that will be really difficult. So a pro tip from a old student is please do everything on time, or at least try to do it on time. My third and final tip would be ask higher semester students about your courses. They will probably have more information that you think of, and they can help you out. For example, thinking of about a final project that you have to do and come up at the end of a course, or knowing some topics that may be harder so you can prepare for them in advance. That will always be helpful.